talking to her.
Yeah.
She goes,
Well, that's what I told her, yes. No, she complains a lot.
oh yeah.
Yeah. And that lady is just like,
She was bothered by it, not a kid.
yeah, she was bothered by it. It wasn't her kid, but that was her excuse. The lady in the blue, they moved their chairs over there.
Oh, that's what I thought, because I think she was like doing this or something. I'm like,
Yeah, no, there's a reason why she doesn't go to the church that I go to anymore. It's because she threw a huge fit.
oh really?
I am recording it. Hey, Ken,
I'm so ready for this.
you're so ready for this? He actually fits in it, Nick. That's awesome. Oh my god. He actually might get all the way up there. Oh my god. Did you want to go too? Oh, you like this? I didn't know where you went. You're gonna get the black suit, okay? Kent. See, I told you his weight would just make him peel off of there. Fly as you can! You win? Do it backwards! Are you done now?
I got one more.
Okay, one more. Just one more. I knew he wouldn't be heavy enough to stick on there. Poor Kent. And land sideways? Land. Batman! Are we good now?
Okay.
I think we're safe now? Okay.
Parachute man is done.
Kent, that was adorable, actually.
That was fun. That's all. It was straight out fun.
It was straight out fun.
Yes.